Is your business surviving or thriving? Thriving businesses need these: customer and employee health and well-being, operation and manpower efficiency, energy reduction, and chemical use reduction. Your ability to manage these easily, efficiently, and effectively will be your bridge to sustainable success. Medklinn makes it possible. Our patented and state-of-the-art Cerafusion Technology offers you the solutions you need. Cerafusion Technology recreates a powerful force used by Mother Nature: active oxygen. It destroys 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and allergens in the air and on surfaces. When active oxygen is infused in water for sterilization, it is 3,100 times quicker and 50 times more effective than chlorine, making it the most powerful disinfectant and deodorizer currently known to mankind. Because it is safe with no chemicals or any harmful byproducts, it is approved by the Department of Agriculture and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Imagine hotels free of foul odors caused by molds and bacteria. Imagine F&B outlets free of stale odor from food and cooking and odor from cigarette smoke. Imagine exhaust ducts cleared of accumulated oil particles, reducing the risk of fire. Imagine happy customers satisfied with your hygiene standards. And imagine kindergartens, schools, and universities protected from viral and bacterial infections like hand, foot, and mouth disease, flu, coughs, and cold, saving students and parents from worry. To cut down your dependence on hot water and chemicals, you can turn to Medklinn's active oxygen infused water. Our cutting-edge technology cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes all kitchen equipment, eliminating bacteria and bad odors on all surfaces and floors, including food like fresh produce, meat, and seafood. On top of that, the areas in your business that are most infested by bacteria and bad odors can be treated easily and effectively. With all these solutions in your business working in unison, you can disinfect washrooms on contact with our active oxygen-infused water, eliminate bad smell, and clean restrooms with less manpower and chemicals. Incorporate Medklinn's air and surface solutions and water solutions together as one to form a fully integrated sterilization system for your business. Increase your profit margin by reducing labor costs, cleaning and maintenance costs, and sick leave while improving customer satisfaction. Take control. Let Medklinn help you shape the future of your business. Medklinn, your world.